How to add a contact or a person to group in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the WhatsApp application on a device and select a profile or a group that you want to add a person or a contact on. Now make sure that you are the admin of that group, because if you're not admin, you'll not be able to add any person. So just tap on the group name and then scroll down, and you can see the option of add members. So just tap on add, and as you tap on add, you can just refresh the people over here and search for the people over here. So you can just select a profile over here, or you can just tap on new contact and then tap on the name over here and then mention their phone numbers over here. So as you do that, just tap on the save option, and as you save, you can just go back and check on the group members. So you can just scroll and you'll be able to see you have added a contact or a person to your group in WhatsApp. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.